Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. It's been a while since the last update, but for a stretch of time, I was doing quite a few updates, and then there really wasn't much else to talk about because it was a big wait-and-see situation. What do I mean by wait-and-see? Well, like I said, for the longest time, the price entered into this sideways channel right here, and there wasn't much else to talk about. It was kind of just a, well, you got to wait and see if the bulls are going to get a breakout to the upside of that resistance level, the red line, or are things going to kind of fall apart and break down through that green line right there. And, got the answer, and things just are falling apart. Is everything totally ruined? I'm not going to quite go that far, but the bulls better get out the bandages quick because things are quickly falling apart. And it all just revolves around the fact that the price was able to finally break down through that 4-cent mark. And you can see the chart did not like that, came down there, then broke down through that pink line, which is the very famous 200 period moving average. And from there, the bleeding has just continued. Again, the bulls do still have a little bit of wiggle room, but as it stands right now, any sort of sideways price action, in my opinion at least, is just as good as any upwards price action. Maybe you're saying, geez, Clay, that's setting the bar kind of low. You're calling sideways price action bullish. In this situation, yeah, absolutely, because as things are unfolding right now, the price is just is simply drifting downwards, and you got to see the bulls put some kind of end to that. So that's really kind of the top priority going forward. No, don't even worry, don't even focus on breaking levels of resistance or anything like that. Just don't even focus on bouncing. I mean, don't focus on any sort of upwards price action. Top priority, like I said, is just going sideways at least. Because now, if the price wants to bounce and start to head back up, I'm sure nobody's going to complain about that. But just any sort of movement to the sideways, movement to the in the neutral direction, just simply going and doing something like that is still going to be good because you want to try to chip away and build a higher base. So that is by far priority number one. But yeah, as things are looking right now after today's price movement with the final, break of that big channel that had formed over the past couple of weeks, the bears are looking to take full control of this once again. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.